Hello friends, welcome to Kranti Physics Tutorials. So today we have to discuss the very important theorem, that is work energy theorem. So in your work energy power topic. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is the work energy theorem? So the change in the kinetic energy of the body is equal to the work done on that body by the force. This is called work energy theorem. So if we can apply some force on a body, so then there is a change in kinetic energy of the body. So initially it has some kinetic energy. For example, initially it has some kinetic energy. So then we can apply the external force on that body. So then the body is moves fast. That means so it gains some extra kinetic energy. So that's why it has initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy. Now the change in the kinetic energy, so the change in the final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy is exactly equal to, so how much work is done on that body, so using the force. So that is called work energy theorem. Now we have to prove the work energy theorem equation. Okay, so here we have the kinematic third equation, that is V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So in both sides, so on both sides, so we can multiply with m by 2. So m by 2 into V square minus U square equal to, so 2AS into m by 2. So if we can multiply with the same number on both sides of the equal to, so then there is no change in that equation, right? Okay, so now what we get, so V square minus U square, okay, so by 2. So here, so m into V square minus U square by 2, and here also, so 2 m a s by 2. So here 2 cancel. So we get ma. So m into V square minus U square by 2 is equal to, so mas. Okay, so ma, but according to Newton's second law, ma is equal to f equal to ma. So but so ma it is equal to f. So therefore, so what we have to write, so m V square minus U square by 2 is equal to fs. So here we can extend this equation, we can simplify this equation, then what we get, so half mv square minus half mu square equal to fs. So half mv square minus half mu square is equal to fs. So but we have to know that the product of the force and displacement is equal to the work done, right? So therefore but fs equal to work done, and also half mv square and half mu square are the equations for kinetic energy, right? So here v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. So that's why half mv square is the equation for final kinetic energy and half mu square is the equation for initial kinetic energy, right? So kf minus ki, it is equal to, so kf minus ki, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, that means change in kinetic energy is equal to work done, the change in the kinetic energy. So here kf minus ki means, so change in kinetic energy is equal to work done. So here kf minus k is what? Change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic, that means change in kinetic energy, it is equal to work done. So this is the statement for the work energy theorem. So hence we proved, so So this is about work energy theorem. So this is very important question. So this is Kranti signing off.